guys. So, kahit na nagbumagyo dito sa amin, no? Mag, ano ako guys, mabaya tayo sa, Marites. What happened to the group of, friendship of Cindy Cinco and whatever, ex-friend or whatever. So, ang masasabi ko lang, no? Ay, nako. Good thing I'm not into the friendship. I lost everyone, guys. Well, in life, well, if you really know about life, I know about life, what are friends for, what are the friends, or what our friendship means for in this reality. So I don't mind people come and go because that's what I chose. Yeah, it's up to Cindy, no? How she would, I think she did react on it, right? She doesn't mind about it. Like, I think that's a good thing, actually. For me, it is a good way of letting go. This is about letting go, okay? So, yeah, I have few that I let go. And did it hurt me? At the time, not anymore because with my knowing of how the reality works, doesn't care anymore. Doesn't have any meaning at all for me. Friendship is just a story. For me, it's just a story. It's just about the feeling of having one. Why you grab for friendship, relationship, someone, whatever. It's because your cup is not full. Okay? Meaning, may kulang sa'yo. I'm already complete. I'm already whole. Why would I don't have to have someone to complete me. Even my husband, my son doesn't really care about it. It is just a bonus because I'm already complete inside. That's what matters. So, if you right now listening to me, kung hindi ka yung sa sarili mo, yung parang may kulang ka, work on it, you guys. Dapat bigyan mo ng pansin ang sarili mo kaysa ibang tao. Kasi pag mahal mo ang sarili mo, kiver sa mga tao. Kasi they're not bringing you anything anyway. What? The memory? Into what? What exactly? What exactly? Because ano ang importante? Ngayon. Tumulong ba sa'yo ngayon? Hindi. Memory lang yun. So, yan lang muna ang ating kwento for today. Kasi nag-chismis tayo, pero I'm gonna give you some points there too, right? Sana nakakatulong sa mind nyo na dapat walang kulang sa inyo para humanap kayo ng iba. Okay? Fill your cup first before you give yourself to others.